Good morning students, welcome again to our last part of chapter 1, class 7th English, 3 questions. In the previous parts we discussed about the chapter, the king, his 3 questions and how finally he got the answers to his questions, okay. And in the next part we discussed about the question answers and finally we will be doing today the grammar part, okay. So come join the class, we will start with the grammar part. First question. Match items in list A with their meanings in list B. Now in list A we are having the words, in list B we are having their meanings. What we have to do is we have to join the words with their meanings. First one is wounded. What do you mean by wounded? Wounded means घायल या जख्मी. Second one is awoke. Awoke means जागना. Third one is forgive. Forgive means माफ करना. Faithful, loyal या वफादार. Pity, you all know, दया आना. Beds, क्यारियाँ. In this chapter, beds means क्यारियाँ. Return, return means लौटाना. Okay, so now we will read these sentence. Got up from sleep. You know what's the answer? Give back, वापस देना. Small patches of ground for plants. Getting the answer? Severely injured. Pardon. Loyal. Feels sorry for. Now I'll tell you the answers. I know you all must have got the answers. First one is wounded. Wounded means severely injured. Okay beta? Wounded means severely injured. Awoke, jagna. Got up from sleep. Forgive, maaf karna. Pardon. Okay? I beg your pardon. Faithful, loyal. ठीक है? वफादार. Pity, दया आना. Feel sorry for. Beds. In the reference to this chapter, beds means small patches of ground for plants. क्यारियाँ. Okay? Return, give back. Return means वापस देना. Okay? Understood everyone? Each of the following sentences has 2 blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the word given in brackets. Now what you have to do beta, you have to write 2 form of a same word. Okay? एक ही word की अलग अलग 2 forms लिखकर sentence को complete करना है, उनके blanks को fill करना है. The first one is done for us. Let's check it out. He has promised to help me. Now what is the word? Word is promise. Right? Word तो क्या है? Promise. But उसका दूसरा फॉर्म क्या है? Promised. Okay? So here he has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? Right? So these are the 2 forms of one word. Similarly we have to do the other fill in the blanks. He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? What the word was? Promise. ठीक है? आगे के क्वेश्चंस भी हमको सेम तरीके से करने बेटा. फर्स्ट वन, वर्ड इज जज. वर्ड क्या है? जज. द जज सेड दैट ओनली फ्रेश एविडेंस वुड मेक हिम चेंज हिज जजमेंट. ओके, आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन द fill in the blanks for you all and the words here is judge. Okay, the word here is judge. Judgment and judge. Okay, these are the 2 forms of the same word. Second, I didn't notice any serious difference of opinion among the debaters, although they differed from one another over the small points. Now the word is differ. Differ क्या है? हमारा word है. But here we are using difference and here we are using differed. ठीक है? Similarly, we will do the other ones. It's a fairly simple question to answer, but Will you accept my answers as final? The word is answer. Answer की दो forms करके हमने sentence complete कर लिया. Okay? Fourth one, word is necessary. Okay? It isn't necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. Okay? So, necessary and necessity. Fifth, hermits are wise men. How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. Now, wise is a word and wisdom and wise, they are its two forms we are using in this sentence. The committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. Now, the word is decide, and decision and decided are the two forms of this word. Okay? Getting everyone? Good. Next, asking for forgiveness is as noble as willingness to forgive. Now, the word here is forgive, and forgiveness and forgive are the two forms. Okay? Hope you all understood this part, and we'll meet in our next class with next chapter. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day.